Complete meal plan for dieting. Make dieting enjoyable with our complete meal plan for dieting. This plan includes a variety of meals that are low in calories but high in flavor. Stay on track with delicious recipes that make healthy eating a breeze. For a general dieting plan, focus on water, herbal teas, and black coffee. For general dieting, balance proteins from lean meats, fish, beans, and legumes. Increase fiber with a mix of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Incorporate healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. Ensure a diverse intake of nutrient-dense foods to cover all essential vitamins and minerals. A complete meal plan for dieting ensures you get essential nutrients while aiming for weight loss. Track your macronutrient intake to ensure you're hitting the right balance for your goals.